Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and getting the installer. This saves time later. Make sure CPU virtualization is enabled in BIOS or UEFI because performance depends on it. Once done, download Android x86 or your chosen emulator image and install Rufus or Etcher to write the ISO to a USB stick. You want a 4 GB or larger drive and a clean target partition plan. That gets you straight into creating boot media and avoids. You now boot from the USB and pick the installer option. This is where choices matter. Select Install to write Android to disk or use Live CD to test without changes. Choosing ext4 with formatting gives a stable root. Follow prompts to create or pick a partition, and when asked, install grub to allow multi-boot. Make sure to copy system files to the disk for persistence. After installation finishes, remove the USB and reboot to test the new Android system. You complete Android setup on first boot and confirm Wi-Fi, audio, and input work. These components may need tinkering. If networking or drivers fail, make sure virtualization remains enabled, update BIOS, or try a different Android x86 build because hardware support varies. For boot problems, reflash the USB media, reinstall grub from a live environment, or boot into safe mode. If apps crash, clear data or reinstall them. One key tip: test with live mode before full install to identify hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.